Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to grade using our newfangled rubrics and some of the new features that gradebooks have to offer. So luckily I still have my summer course, so we're just going to roll with that, and this is how it will feel to you after your first day of class. So I'm going to go classes, here we go, and look how it toggles up here now. It's kind of a lot more user friendly. Yay! I'm going to go, you can go to assignments here, and that's where I made a test assignment. And then I'm going to go to Gradebook. Okay, now this is the most recent grade, so it's over here. Now, what's a little bit different is that your option for using the rubric is up here. So you're going to be up here, and you're going to say Evaluate with Rubric. Ta-da! Now, I think it's easier if you pull this all the way out to be full screen, so you can see all of your choices. So just like I said up these ranges. You pick a point within the range. So if it's in this range, you put it in this box. And you go through all your stuff. You can go in and add a comment in here for each different category if you want to. You can say like 5 other people did the same topic. So that category was originality. You're not going to get any points for that if 5 other people did it, right? Okay, so that's an option. The other thing that's a little bit interesting is it's just like everything else in the gradebook in that you don't have to save it, which makes me nervous. So if you're done, you just X out. But the weird thing is you can't just click on this guy and you'll go, if you click on that one, you say evaluate with rubric, you're going to notice it automatically goes back to the first alphabetical person, which seems frustrating. But now they have this cool toggle, so it's actually easier for grading. Instead of going in and out of this menu, you're just going to go next, and the next one's going to show up here, which is awesome. So, now I can go through and grade Sarah's work. The final grade is up here. And then I just toggle down, boom, next person, go through, put all your stuff in, and then, because it's magical, you're just going to say X, and it's all going to save it. It's still there. Now, you'll notice here in this little dot area, there's a couple new other things we got. Bulk add comment, which is kind of interesting. So here I can add a comment to everyone that's like, great job, or something like that. Or, which is more likely how I'm going to use it, add to some students, and I'm going to click on these guys and say, missing or missing page 2, or you could say, my main issue is not public on the web. Okay? So that only applies to these particular students. So instead of having to write that same comment a million times, I can just write it one time, click on these guys, save it, and it's gonna roll. Okay, here's another interesting feature we have to look at. So if you click on the dots here, you can see a performance summary, which is kind of nice. You can see you have a high score, low score, mean, median, mode, and how many people are missing. So that's kind of nice. And the last thing you can do is the same as you could last year, but it's a little clearer. You click on a grade, press spacebar, and this little thing pops up, and you can go ahead and check the applicable things, put how many days late, and write a cute little comment. Save and next, or save and close if you're only writing one. And there you go. Now, here's the new thing. For the rubrics, you need to do this here. It says rubric grades not yet committed. So you need to commit grades and post rubrics here. Ta-da! So I'm going to click on that, select the one I want to do, commit and publish. Okay? So that's kind of similar to if you had created a quiz on here, you have to commit those grades the same sort of way. So that's what's going on there. So make sure you commit those grades so that the students can see those rubrics on their end. Otherwise, it's not going to work out right. One last thing, you've got, if you wrote a comment, it's faster now to see them. So if you hover over here, that's exactly what my comment is, instead of before where you had to go in and click and open it up to find the comment. Also has this little indicator here that I've said that it's incomplete. So that's really helpful, because last time it just had like a little box or something that said that there was something in there. Now it's really easy to see that I've marked it both incomplete and written a comment and exactly what that comment is. So lots of great new things to work with this year.